And we cut across to more breaking news coming in. Bharatiya Kisan Bhanu has withdrawn from the agitation. Remember, this is the second union from the All India Kisan Sangharsh Committee that has withdrawn from the agitation. So just in a span of the last 1 hour, we have seen how 2 farmer unions have withdrawn from the agitation and they are coming in support of the farm laws. Will more follow suit? Tracking the story very closely, but this is a very important development considering more than 2 months long that the agitation has continued, especially after the unprecedented scenes that were witnessed in the violence in the national capital yesterday. 2 Kisan unions have withdrawn from the protest. They are coming out in support of the farm laws. My colleague will be joining us very shortly to give us more details of this particular committee, which is the All India Kisan Sangharsh Committee. How many unions are a part of it? But this is important as 2 unions have already pulled out from the agitation. They've withdrawn from the protest. They're coming in favor of the farm laws. Piyush, I believe you're picking up more on the same. This is the second farmer union that has withdrawn from the agitation.
Well, absolutely. Looking at what actually happened there, the farmer unions have now distanced themselves and they have distanced themselves from the violence which took place yesterday, and that's why they are withdrawing from this agitation. They are saying that though their demands continue to be the same, but as of now, they are now withdrawing from this agitation because they never expected this to happen, which is certainly indicating to us that anti-social elements had infiltrated, and they were also allowed by few farmer unions. Those are sitting there at Singhu border and Tikri border. And now Delhi police has also registered a fire against a few, including Yogendra Yadav, Rakesh Tikait. It's very important for us to understand that they are the one who allowed such anti-social elements to be the part of this protest, and that's why yesterday's violence took place. But latest what we are picking is that two Kisan unions have now withdrawn from this agitation. They are saying that they never expected this violence to take place. In fact, there was a guidance also which was issued by Kisan unions to farmers that they will not go beyond the given assigned routes by Delhi police. So looking at what actually happened, there are few farmer unions who are not very happy and they are now withdrawing from this agitation. There are other unions also who have expressed their concerns. In fact, many farmer leaders since morning have been making statements. One of them also said that what actually happened yesterday was something which Khalistani movement people wanted. This is certainly telling us as to how there is a section of farmer unions who is not happy. They are very much agitated with the fact that violence took place here at Red Fort, and they are now withdrawing from this agitation. Remember, mayhem was laid yesterday. Violence took place. Police barricades were broken. Police personnel were attacked.
Yes.
So looking at
it was shameful. And even the farmers are now regretting to what has happened. Many of them may say that certain unruly elements infiltrated their protests. But what has happened yesterday, they cannot wash off their responsibility. And fact remains that they are now withdrawing from the protest. 2 unions who've come out in support of the farm laws. This is important, Piyush. We'll come back to you for more on the same.